Hi, it's Louise Phillips Forbes. Once again, I'm at 878 West End Avenue on the top of the world at accommodation 16CD, awaiting to share it all with you. Let's see what it has to offer. First of all, you're at the top of the building. You have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen with a breakfast area on top of it, separated dining, a laundry room that makeshifts as a bedroom, a guest room if you have friends who stay too long. But most of all, you have the need for these all the time because it's bright every day, all the time. The 16th floor offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an oversized kitchen opened into the dining area, 3 exposures drenched in sun. There's nothing you will miss here at 16C, including the enjoyment of a $2,855 maintenance. Wow, yes, $2,855, that's what I said. Did you hear that? That is the sound of silence. Perfect for reading. 878 West End Avenue is a distinguished pre-war cooperative located in Manhattan's Upper West Side. Constructed in 1923, featuring 2-story limestone base, a canopied arch entrance, and a prominent cornice along all of West End Avenue. Once again, Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share everything with you about 878, and I am awaiting to hear from each and every one of you. Oh, but wait a minute, there is one more thing. Don't forget your glasses. It is bright.